This video was obtained by Live Boston News for use by Boston Bodycam through the Massachusetts Public Records Law. Any redactions to the video were made by the agency that released the records. All suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Got a cell phone in his right pocket.
Bring them over to the ambulance first to decontaminate them. Check. Decontamination. Decontamination. Bravo team. I wish y'all hit this house like this on the meeting. Head up, my nigga.
Know that. Love you too. Hey, yo, come get everything from me, you heard?
Step up.
We're taking them away now.
Yes, sir. Stand up for me real quick.
Got all three.
Yo.
It'll be in your property. Go ahead, have a seat.
He's doing something. Yo! I already know. Come on, chill. You don't want to put that on. You know? Nobody.
I'm just gonna use your bag.
No one else in there? Thank you. Your eyes hurt?
No, just my lungs.
Give it a flash. It'll flush out.
No, I'm not burning. I can burn.
You don't want to go back to the station all fucked up.
The only thing that happened when I went through the door, it went through my lungs.
Whatever that shit is, get it out.
So my eyes are good. I can see everything. My eyes are burning.
They don't burn or anything like that? Your mouth doesn't burn?
No, my mouth just dry.